Hi guys, again this is Roxy. Please stay tuned to know your shade the traditional way. As I mentioned, I'm gonna show you how to do the traditional shade swatching. So today I'm gonna be using Studio Fix Fluid SPF15 foundation. And since our model has a yellow base tone, I'll be using the NC range. I'm gonna be using NC15, NC16, and NC18. So I already put a little amount on a petri dish. There. So the first shade that we're gonna be applying is the NC15. As you can see, I am applying it right across the face and the neck area so that we can tell that it blends naturally on both face and the neck area. That's the NC15 shade. Next, we will be applying the NC16 shade. So that's just a shade darker than the NC15. Again, guys, you really have to make sure that you know your skin well so that you can tell if the product oxidizes on you. You can go a shade lighter or a shade darker than your skin with that condition. There, so we already applied NC16 shade. So next we're gonna be applying another shade darker than the NC16, which is the NC18. There. So again, that's still under the Studio Fix Fluid line that has SPF 15 already. So again, guys, you have to make sure that you are applying the product right across the face and the neck area. Now we're gonna try to blend it with a cotton tip to make sure that the product blends well on the skin. So the first color is the NC15. As you can see, it's a bit lighter than the skin color. So we are now blending the NC16 shade, which, as you can see, matches the skin tone of our model. You can say that it matches when it disappears on the skin. Our NC18 shade is just a bit darker than the color of the skin tone of our model. So with that, the shade that matches our model is the second tone, which is the NC16 there. So again, guys, hope it helps you to know how to get your shade well. That's all, and thank you for watching.